Que estaba durmiendo.
Ay, no puedo ver.
Pobrecito.
Todo tranquilo. Y vio como 2 litros de agua. Dios mío, no. Ya no puede esperarte.
Oh, look at that baby.
Welcome to another episode of Smokey's Sticks and Stuff. He's got the wide load signs out today.
No, stay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, so cute.
You are about to fall off the couch. Wake up.
You camouflage, Frank.
Get him. Where's the light? Go in.
It's him.
Oh my god. Prince is like, that thing's nuts. I ain't going up there.
Are you smiling? Itty. Itty, smiling girl. Are you smiling? Vas-y, dépasse-moi.
What?
And you have to enjoy every second of being pregnant. Do you hear me? Right.
Right.
You're so cute. You having fun? Oh.
Archie, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Come here, Bubba.
Wanna pick it?
Charlie? Is it Charlie?
There's Charlie.
There's Charlie.
Don't do it.
Well, all the time I was just your friend.
I understand you're obsessed, but just tell me.
So he's getting lots of exercise.
Oh, okay.
And that's the only, they eat the same stuff. They're about 85, 90.
He's a silly one.
Oh, that was a good shot.
This is our cat's reaction to getting his back scratched.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing? What's wrong? Why are you not coming down? What's wrong? Well, I'm eating dinner. Don't you want to eat it with me? What are you scared of these boxes?
Get sexy. Ooh, yes. Quiet, William. We have a stalker kitty. It's gonna fall too. That shelf is not.
It hurts. This is what it can be like to have shingles.
Alvin.
When you sign up at the Avian company, she makes you sign a contract. And the contract basically
Alvin.
아니 이 형아 입을 왜
What? What? Did you just do a magic trick? Where did it go? What the hell, Ruby?
This toy right here triggers my dog. Just wait.
This morning, personalized employer. I found it on Remarkable Employer. I'm honest with you. I'm way smaller. You income and better expense control. So what why do we think they...
If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.